with the start of 2022. Despite the extraordinary crisis as a result of the Russian invasion of Ukrainian lands, the Arab region is witnessing the announcement of many gas discoveries. In addition to operating new liquefied gas projects and agreements to increase exports, the Russian-Ukrainian crisis occurred at a time when the world is suffering from the problem of lack of energy supply in exchange for increased demand. Western countries should look for alternative energy sources away from Russia. With all these global problems, the Arab countries, especially the Gulf states, are continuing its prominent role in securing gas supplies amid pumping new investments in the field of research and exploration. In addition to its success in reaching new fields, a type of fossil fuel. In this video, we will talk about the countries where LNG will be a boom. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Saudi Aramco discovered 5 new natural gas fields. These fields are located in the central region, the Empty Quarter, the northern border, and the eastern region. New field list included: Shaydoun field for natural gas in the central region. Saudi Arabia discovered the Shahab field in the Empty Quarter. Saudi Aramco also discovered the Al Shorfan natural gas field in the Empty Quarter. Qanasir field for unconventional natural gas in the northern border region. Samna unconventional natural gas field in the eastern region south of Gawar field. The total flow of gas collected from the wells is about 63.6 million standard cubic feet per day, in addition to 3.85 thousand barrels of condensate. An average of 31 million cubic feet per day of natural gas. The United Arab Emirates has found natural gas resources in the offshore area off the coast of the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. The results are preliminary. Gas resources in the offshore region are estimated between 1.5 and 2 trillion standard cubic feet. This discovery is the first within the offshore concession areas. Marine Zone 2 covers an area of 4,033,000 square kilometers northwest of Abu Dhabi. It is noteworthy that the United Arab Emirates awarded the concession of the offshore Block 2 concession to a consortium led by the Italian energy company Eni, which includes the Thai public company PTT Exploration and Production. Natural gas resources are found in the offshore area using a 3D geophysical survey. It is considered the largest survey project covering terrestrial and marine areas in the world. In terms of increasing exports and benefiting from higher prices, in 2022, the Algerian company Sonatrach signed a contract with the Chinese group Sinopec to create a new LNG tank. The contract includes the Chinese company's dismantling of 2 tanks located on a liquefaction boat in Skikda. On the other hand, a new tank of the same area with a capacity of 150,000 cubic meters was implemented. It also included the supply and installation of equipment to connect the tank, which will be implemented by the new LNG shipping system for the new Skikda marina. In 2022, the British company Chariot announced the discovery of large deposits of natural gas off the coast of the city of Larache, located in northern Morocco. And after drilling operations at a depth of 2,512,000 meters for the well of the Anchoua 2 field off the Moroccan coast, the company has discovered high-quality gaseous deposits, with a calculated net gas layer of over 100 meters. It is expected to start production from the Anchoua field, discovered in the offshore Lixus area off Larache by 2024. The new discovery is expected to cover part of Morocco's need for gas needed to generate electricity, especially in the stations of Kounitra, Mohammedia, and Thart. In addition to covering the needs of industrial activities in the Moroccan Kounitra region, the company also announced details of the huge gas discovery in the Gursif area in northeastern Morocco. At the level of opening new projects in the Arab region, the most important of which is Qatar's opening of the Barzan gas project, which is fed by the North Field. The project will provide gas for electricity generation and water desalination purposes in the country, as well as raw materials for the domestic petrochemical industries. In addition to petroleum products such as condensate and liquefied petroleum gas, the country will allocate them for export to international markets. The Barzan gas project is scheduled to produce about 1.4 billion cubic feet of methane per day for power generation in Qatar, and 20,000 tons of ethane per day for the local petrochemical industries. It will also produce LPG with 864 tons of propane per day and 677 tons of butane per day for international export. About 5.6 thousand barrels of the plant's condensate per day will be allocated for international export, and 24.2 thousand barrels of unprocessed field condensate per day for the Latvia refinery, and 3,565,000 tons of liquid sulfur per day. Qatargas says it operates the Barzan gas project on behalf of its shareholders Qatar Energy, 93%, and ExxonMobil, 7%. Kuwait has operated the fifth LNG pipeline at the Mina Al Ahmadi refinery. The operation of the permanent facilities project to import liquefied gas in the Al Zur oil complex has been completed. The fifth liquefied gas pipeline at Mina Al Ahmadi refinery is the second largest project of the Kuwait National Petroleum Company in terms of its importance and production. It is planned to enhance the production of the company's 4 gas liquefaction lines. It adds 805 million standard cubic feet and 106,000 barrels of condensate. The total capacity of the 5 lines will be about 3.12 billion standard cubic feet of gas and 332,000 barrels of condensate. The project will process natural gas coming from the oil fields of the Kuwait Oil Company. The 5th line will also produce methane, ethane, propane, butane and natural gasoline. The 5th LNG line at Mina Al Ahmadi refinery includes a gaseous fuel processing subunit. Produces clean gaseous fuels by reducing toxic hydrogen sulfide gas from 2,400 parts per million to a maximum of 50 parts per million. It is expected to start exporting with an estimated quantity of 12 million cubic feet, to rise to reach between 40 and 50 million feet, and between 80 and 100 million cubic feet in 4 years. In your opinion, are Algeria, Morocco and Saudi Arabia among the 6 countries waiting for the LNG boom? Are there other countries where the gas boom could occur? Write it down in the comments. Here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.